A lot of people have been talking about the defamation lawsuit that was filed against Fox News for $1.6 billion by Dominion Voting Systems. As a lawyer who's been practicing for 16 years doing defamation law and having defended well-known publicly traded tech companies, I wanted to weigh in here. So I looked at the motion for summary judgment that was filed by Dominion Voting Systems, which presents their side of the events and facts. And when you look at it, the key issue in this case is going to be whether Dominion can show that Fox News made the statements or presented the statements with knowing falsity or with a reckless disregard for the truth. Now, what most media outlets don't discuss is what the legal standard is specifically. So in civil law, there is a preponderance of the evidence standard, which is lower. But in these kinds of cases where you have to show something called actual malice, the standard is a lot higher. It's the highest in civil law, and it's to show that the statements were made with knowing falsity or with a reckless disregard for the truth by clear and convincing evidence. So as the case progresses, and as the court rules in the motion for summary judgment, or if this case goes to a jury trial, watch to see if Dominion's able to show that the statements were made with clear and convincing evidence to prove their case. If they're not able to win, it's because they weren't able to show or meet that standard. If they are able to win, it's because the evidence was so strong as to sort of command the unhesitating assent of every reasonable mind, and that's what they need to meet. And you don't see media outlets really talking about that. So when you think about it, keep that in mind. I hope this helps.